Hi family, welcome back to another tutorial video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Glory. Do consider joining the family by clicking on that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you, and I love you. So today we are going to be making cozy braid out, and this style is super easy and can be worn for days, not weeks. If you need something fast and cute with your fussy hair, then you should consider doing this. I'll be showing you guys the products I use to keep my hair moisturized at the very end of this video. And don't mind the color of my hair, the dye is fading out and I don't intend to reapply. So taking down your braid, you have to make sure your hair is dry when taking it out. It shouldn't be wet. You don't want it to be wet because it's just going to not be what you expect it to be, right? It's not going to give you that feeling of a braid out. It's just going to be a more fussy hair, and before you know it, it's just going to shrink down. So when taking your braids down, be gentle and be careful to just take it down one step at a time. Don't try to skip any lane so it doesn't tangle at the front. You understand, right? You know how fussy hair is. So you have to be careful to not get it tangled. So I'm just going to let you watch the rest of the video and see for yourself how it is done.
Girl, I just want you to be. Hey, that little brown girls aren't pink and your edges on your sleeve. That don't mean you're any less pretty. Hey, that little brown girl, I just want you to see that you are a queen from your crown to your feet. You are the essence of the world, beautiful. Hey there, little brown girl, I just want you to know it's okay for your nose to have a little bulge. Ain't nothing wrong with having bigger nostrils. Little brown girl, you are so beautiful to me.
Guys, this looks so beautiful. Oh god, is it the hair or is it me that is looking that pretty? Now I can't even tell the difference. I use Contour Sheer moisturizer for my fussy hair, and it works wonders. It does amazing things to my hair. It keeps my hair moisturized and soft. So if you have dry hair, if your hair isn't as soft as you want it to be, you can just try this out and you might just be lucky that it will work the same for your hair. And thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.
Often imitated, but you never duplicated, so believe me when